Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Bola Tinubu, GCFR, our member Vice President, distinguished Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON, the National Chairman of our great party, and the man that is attracting all and sundry to the party, Right Honorable Speaker and his deputy, the Deputy Senate President, Your Excellencies, the governors of the various states of our great party, Your Excellency, the former Vice President, Your Excellencies, the former Senate Presidents. I've seen Senator Bayasanyi, Senator Ken Namadi, Senator Ahmed Lawan, the pioneer leadership of our great party led by Chief Bisi Akonde, former governors, National Working Committee members, great patriots, ladies and gentlemen. From the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I bring greetings to the National Caucus of the All Progressives Congress holding its meeting today. I join the Right Honorable Speaker, my brother Tajuddin Abbas. I adopt his speech in totality to say yes, indeed, that we have confidence in the leadership of the country, led by President Bola Tinubu. We also have great confidence in the National Working Committee, led by Professor Nentawe Yewada. We have confidence in our governors, led by the Governor General, Governor of Imo State, my brother, Governor Ozodinma Owen. We are also very confident that with the array of caucus members present here today, that Nigeria is on track. Let me say that what impresses us most in the Senate is the way and manner steadily, without firing a shot, without any sound, the party has continued to attract the real political movement and caterpillars of the Nigerian political prevalence. So for this, we thank the National Working Committee, led by our able National Chairman. Let me appeal to all our leaders that all the political stakeholders coming in from other political parties must be given equal opportunities to thrive. There must not be any discrimination. Do your best not to leave anybody behind. In the Senate, we are doing our best to ensure that we carry the Senate as one, irrespective of political party. And I can confirm to you that when we came in, the opposition had almost 50 members. But today, when I counted, there are about 5 or 4 left in the opposition. And even those 5 members have wished out to me that I should carry them to the president, the leader of the party, that they are prepared to join the APC. If the president, I will soon bring some of them. I don't want to run a Senate without any opposition. So because of that, I have intentionally, I'm reporting to the caucus, allowed the APC members who have declared in their states, who are yet to declare in the Senate, to continue in the minority caucus. Otherwise, that place would have been empty. And so I thank Governor Peter Mba for allowing our Senator Ositangu to continue to maintain the position of the Chief Whip of the minority for today. Thank you, Your Excellency. Otherwise, the place would have been empty. So as we grow, there will be envy, there will be jealousy. And with jealousy comes hatred. And with hatred comes challenges. So, Mr. President, ours in this caucus today is to assure you that we are not only with you, we are also praying for you. Praying for you to overcome the challenges of the day is also praying for Nigeria. We are very sad that people have decided to torment Nigeria with very serious organized and orchestrated insecurity. We align ourselves with states that are mourning as a result of the loss of lives occasioned by terrorists, by bandits, and by insurgents. We thank the President for the release of over 100 children who were kidnapped very recently, and we pray to God to give him the ability and the enablement to release the remaining children to rejoin their families. We condole with members of the families who have lost their loved ones, including the armed forces who lost their lives in the course of trying to protect not just those children, but protecting lives and properties in the country. May their souls rest in perfect peace. We assure them that we work hand in hand with them and with their families to make sure that they do not stand alone in this moment of grief. Mr. President, if our neighbors are not together and are not stable, Nigeria cannot be stable. So the Senate commends you once again. We did that in the chambers for the intervention you had to undertake in Benin Republic to stabilize democracy there. I thought we should clap for the President. Thank you, Mr. President, for a courageous decision. We have also taken steps in the Senate to take bold decisions aimed at deterring those who want to join banditry. One of which is we have ensured that kidnapping joins the rank and file of terrorism, and therefore kidnappers will now face death sentence once the President assigns the new bill into law. So the state governors, I will appeal to you to do your best to implement them. When I was a governor, we had issues of people who were not interested in signing warrants for people to be executed for capital offenses. If you don't do so, you are waiting for them to go on jailbreak and come back to kill more people in the society. So on this note, I welcome all our new governors to the caucus. I'm very happy tonight that sitting there, the national chairman whispered to me that even the governor of the state in Plateau has decided to join our party, and so he's one of us. So national chairman, congratulations. I would also want to urge that most of the new governors who are joining us, or all governors actually, not new, but who are joining us, you are the party leaders in your various states. In my state, I have a party leader. His name is Governor Minor, and he's doing very well. So thank my governor for me, for tolerating me. Thank him for accommodating me. Thank him for accepting me. Because I know that when I was a governor, there were many states that did not want national chairman to be in their states. We had a meeting one day, Mr. President, and we wanted to zone national chairmanship. And we zoned it to Southeast. 4 of the states in the Southeast rejected national chairmanship. And then the same thing happens when you talk about Senate President. And so I think it was Enugu that now had the courage to say, please bring it to Enugu. I'll guarantee that things shall be well. Unfortunately, it turned out that there was still slight conflict, but that era has passed. So I thank my governor for the smooth relationship that we have. And I wish that this be the case in Rivers State with Sim Fubara, who has joined us. This be the case in Delta and others. For other zones who are yet to emulate the example of the South-South, we assure the caucus of block votes come 2027 for the party. I believe that at the end, our togetherness should result in bulk vote and victory for the party, the APC, come 2027. Thank you all.
Thank you.
And Commander-in-Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR,